Hello, welcome back guys, welcome to Global Gift TV. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use chatgpt to write a book for yourself without you not giving anybody money. You can also write a book for yourself using chatgpt, and you can be charging at least as low as $20 to $50 writing a book for people every day. Okay, started. I'll be showing you step by step on how to do it, on how to see customer. I'm going to show you everything step by step. Do well to watch this video so that you can get all the details I'll be showing you in this video. And to this channel, can you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell and comment below. Then Global Gift TV, I post videos daily on how to make money and how to maximize money. You can also share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Okay, let's start, guys. Yes, this is chatgpt. Learn how to open chatgpt. You go to OpenAI and create an account. From there, you will search for chatgpt, or you can also check some of my videos on how to create an account for yourself on chatgpt. Okay, started. You already know how to create an account. Okay, let's get started, guys. First thing I'm going to do is that, let's say you are in a fashion niche, fashion design niche. Okay, I want to write a book on a fashion design book on fashion design. Okay, I'll be showing you how to do it step by step now. Okay, let's wait for it to access our connection. To a title of an ebook in the investment niche. Okay, it's going to give us a title we are going to use. Okay, yes, this is the millionaire investment and a step-by-step guide to bring wealth through smart. Okay, let's tell the computer to make it short for us. Okay, please just say, please make the please make it a short title. Okay, has given us a clear title for us now. Investment for success and beginners. Okay, this is a title for has given us now. Okay, you just go to your Google Doc to write it. Okay, let's cancel this one. Okay, you are going to paste what it has given to you. You are going to paste it there. Okay, and you change your subheading there. I want to make it bold. Just follow all the steps I will give you in this video. I'm showing this video. Okay, I'll make it bold. Okay, it has been bold. Yes, investment for success and beginners for guidance. Guide. This is a title for us. Okay, let's go back to chatgpt. Let's ask him that. Okay, generate a clear title of an ebook in the investment niche. Okay, the other one went through. I have to make it so that everybody will see what I'm doing. Okay, he has given us title now. This is another title. Okay, let's tell you that I should make it short. Please make it a short title. Okay, this is the same title has given us. Okay, we have copied title before. Okay, next thing is that you ask the computer to make it. So write to give us the chapters for this. Okay, you say please give the chapters for this. Okay, I have to press it again. It's giving us like it wants to give us chapters now. Okay, let's wait. Giving us some chapters that we can use. Okay, has given us like 10 chapters we want to use. We copy the chapters. Okay, you copy everything there. What happens is I don't want to leave this site to go to my Google Doc because everything we went through. Okay, just copy it. Okay, you copy it, make sure it is on your keyboard. Okay, after copying it, okay, next thing is that you ask the computer to make please write an introduction to this topic. Okay, you copy the first chapters here. You copy one of them there, introduction. You copy it. Okay, you copy it and come here. You paste it there. Make sure anything I copy, make sure it is in your keyboard now. You see, this one is on my keyboard, Make sure it is there. We send it now. It's going to generate another introduction for us to use. Okay. It's writing the book for us. Yeah. Just wait. Okay. It generates another chapters for us. The first one, which we ask him that introduction to an investment, understanding the basics. This is the introduction given to us. We copy everything there. Okay, you copy it. Okay, this is it. You copy it. Okay, the next thing is that we have copied the chapter 1. You go to chapter 2. We ask him again that set goals. You copy this set goals again. Please make sure you are following out the steps I'll be showing you in this video. It's very simple. Okay, you copy it. Okay, wait. Okay, this one is over it. Just copy. You are copying the number 2 goes there. Yes, setting and financial goals and creating a plan. Okay, you want to ask the computer to give us introduction to this again, to be our second topic. Please write an introduction to this topic. You paste it there. Okay, you click on send again. So you generate another topic for us again, another subtopic for it again, so that we can use it. Are you see? We're asking to write an introduction to this topic, setting goals and creating plan. The one we copied for the second one, setting goals and creating a plan. Okay, it's generating. Okay, it's writing it for us there. Okay, it has finished. Okay, you copy this one again. Okay, you copy it. After copying it, you go to your Google Doc now. I'm going to stop here so that this video will not be too long. Okay, we will copy it now. Okay, this is another chapters. This is another chapter given to us by the computer itself. Okay, let's go back to our ebook. You can be doing this on and on. but I don't want to make this video to be too long. Okay, come back here again. It has given us like 3 subtopic you want to use. This is a writing. Okay, use a paragraph. The first one given to us was investing for success. This is the subtopic there. Okay, this is the paragraphs given to us there. Okay, you have to raise all this. Okay, these are the chapters here. Okay, write chapters. Okay, these are the chapters given to us. Okay, let's give it black like that. Okay, you copy your introduction again. You copy all your introduction. You copy everything. You want to make everything to be everything went off. Okay, go back again. This is okay. This is, you have to make it very compressive for people to read. Okay, I want to remove all this now. Okay, yes, done. Okay, I want to make everything to be very compressive for people to read. You copy everything there. Okay, copy everything. Want to align it. Okay, we are giving it number. You have number everything there. Okay, let's come back here again and copy it again. Copy everything again. Copy it. I want to make sure it is 1 Yes, it's good like this. I'm going to leave it like this now. It is 10. Okay, you copy everything again. Come here. Okay, yes, it is good like this now. Here we have the chapters. The chapters are here. Addition to business opportunity. Okay, you bring another. The first one is introduction to business, introduction to basics. Okay, this is another chapter given to us by the author. Okay, yes, the next thing is that and the basics. you paste the one you copied for this, you paste it there. Okay, this is it. Yes, this is the basic one you are writing. Make sure you clear all these ones that are not useful there. They are not useful. But this one are not useful. They are not useful. Okay, they are not useful. It's not all this we need. Okay. Okay, this is what we need. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is to investing and understanding the basics. This is our topic given to us. Okay, you just go on and do the and create your docs with the chatgpt step by step. Just make sure it is correct. Go to your search for Fiverr. Okay. Ebook. Search for ebook writer. Okay. Yeah, this one charge $10, $400 creating a book. Okay, this one charge $84 creating a book. $5. Okay, you can also charge as low as $10 writing a book for people. Okay, if you like this video, you can like the video and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.